Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to show you a new parent hack. So it is my daily checklist, and let me tell you, this is a great teaching tool for your kids. So my kids absolutely hate chores, just like adults do, but they make it that much more miserable. This is actually a great motivator for my children. I'm gonna show you an up close, and basically, I just really love this thing for kids. So here I behold a parent's favorite item, a motivating checklist. It shows your kids how to be responsible and it reinforces good manners. I like how it lets them be kids. You have time to doodle and write. You fill in some of your own information on here, so it's even got a little bit of gratitude on there. The paper itself is very good quality. It doesn't tear easily. So that's always a plus, especially with kids. Here I have my kids in action using this thing, and they're actually like arguing over who gets the pad. So that's kind of cool too. So I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.